Do you know what hand, wrist, or arm problem feels like, and what can make it worse? So, it varies from stiffness to swelling to pain in the hand, wrist, or arm, and twisting the arm or exposure to cold, hand or wrist, lifting a cup, opening a door, or exertion, elbow or arm. If you have injured your hand, try to keep it elevated to minimize swelling, and remove any jewelry if your hand is already swollen. Now, there are important questions that you need to ask your patient before making a diagnosis. Firstly, you need to ask the patient about weakness, numbness, swelling, pain, discoloration of the involved area, neck pain, pain in other joints, chest pain, nausea, vomiting, sweating. Secondly, you should know family history of patient rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, past injury or fracture of the involved area, recent chest trauma or surgery, angina, or myocardial infarction. Now that you are well aware of the symptoms of your patient, your main role starts here, because you have to examine the patient. Well, this physical examination includes checking the affected area for swelling, tenderness, discoloration, dislocation, or deformity, checking the strength of fingers, the grip, the wrist, and the upper arm, checking the pinprick sensation in all fingers, and a series of exercises to try to reproduce the pain you describe. Now, what can cause hand, wrist, or arm problems, and what is typical for each cause? Well, there are 17 different causes of hand, wrist, or arm problems that you should be clear about. Osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, bursitis, tendinosis, de Quervain's disease, Dupuytren's contracture, infection, the epicondylitis, carpal tunnel syndrome, pronator tear syndrome, ulnar syndrome, thoracic outlet syndrome, Raynaud's phenomenon, shoulder hand syndrome, angina, myocardial infarction. I'll be explaining these terms in a while. Now, if the patient shows symptoms like swelling, pain, and stiffness in multiple joints in the hands, then this might give you an indication that patient has osteoarthritis. Do you know what is osteoarthritis? It's joint problems that develop with advancing age. But if your patient has typical symptoms like stiffness in multiple joints, swelling, pain in the hands, tends to affect the first and second joints, can also affect the wrists and elbows. Well, patient is suffering from rheumatoid arthritis. Do you know what is it? It's an autoimmune disease causing joint problems. But what if your patient is having rash, fingernail destruction, resembles rheumatoid arthritis? Well, patient is suffering from psoriatic arthritis. Do you know what is it? It's severe joint problems accompanied by rash. If your patient shows the symptoms, elbow pain and swelling, well, this is bursitis. Do you know what is it? So, it's an inflammation of the lubricating sac near a joint. But what if your patient is having pain at the base of the thumb, pain worsened by moving the wrist or thumb, pain reproduced by flexing the thumb or cupping the fingers? Well, patient is suffering from tendinosis. Do you know what is it? So, it's inflammation in a thumb tendon. Now, moving towards another cause of hand, wrist, or arm problems, and that shows patient with symptoms such as pain at the base of a thumb, pain worsened by moving the wrist or thumb, pain reproduced by flexing the thumb or cupping the fingers. Well, patient is suffering from de Quervain's disease. It's irritation or swelling in the tendons to the thumb. But what if your patient is having fingers frozen in a flex position? Well, patient is suffering from Dupuytren's contracture. It's the thickening and contracting of the palm tissue. If your patient shows the symptoms, tender, red, swollen fingers or palm, sometimes pain when straightening fingers, well, this is infection. Do you know what is it? So, it's infection in the palm side of the hands, usually following a cut. Now, moving towards another cause of hand, wrist, or arm problems, and that shows patient with symptoms such as pain when opening doors or lifting, tenderness near elbow, pain worsened when bending or straightening wrist against resistance? Well, patient is suffering from epicondylitis, inflammation of the upper arm near the elbow caused by repetitive movements, also known as tennis elbow or golfer's elbow. Now, moving towards another cause of hand, wrist, or arm problems, and that shows patient with symptoms such as numbness, tingling, pain in the fingers, may worsen when bending the wrist. Well, patient is suffering from carpal tunnel syndrome. It's the compression of a nerve of the wrist, often a result of repetitive motion. Now, moving towards another cause of hand, wrist, or arm problems, and that shows patient with symptoms such as pain, numbness, tingling, weakness in the fingers, worsened by rotating the arm. Well, patient is suffering from pronator tear syndrome, also known as pronator, the compression of a nerve near the elbow. If your patient shows the symptoms, numbness, tingling, weakness, worsened by pressure over the funny bone, well, this is ulna syndrome. Do you know what is it? So, it's problems in the nerve that produce the characteristic feeling when you hit your funny bone. The funny bone got its nickname because of that funny feeling you get after you hit it. But your funny bone isn't actually a bone at all. Running down the inside part of your elbow is a nerve called the ulnar nerve. The ulnar nerve lets your brain know about feelings in your fourth and fifth fingers. If your patient shows the symptoms, numbness, tingling, eventual weakening of the grip, pain in the neck and shoulder, well, this is thoracic outlet syndrome. Do you know what it is? Occurs in people with an extra rib that squeezes the blood vessels and nerves near the collarbone 14. If your patient shows the symptoms, fingers become painful, turn white, then blue and red after exposure to cold, predominantly affects women. Well, this is Raynaud's phenomenon. Do you know what it is? Condition in which the blood vessels undergo recurrent spasms. Now, moving towards another cause of hand, wrist, or arm problems, and that shows patient with symptoms such as shoulder ache, burning pain in the hand, skin thickening, redness, joint stiffness, usually follows surgery or heart attack. Well, patient is suffering from shoulder-hand syndrome. It is chronic pain syndrome affecting the shoulder and hand. If your patient shows the symptoms such as pain increasing with exertion, relieved by rest or taking nitroglycerin, shoulder and elbow pain can also occur, but are not the major symptoms. Well, this is angina. Do you know what is it? It's the sudden spasm of chest pain caused by lack of oxygen to the heart muscles. Moving to last cause of hand, wrist, and arm problems. So, if your patient shows the symptoms such as chest pain, nausea, vomiting, sweating, shoulder and elbow pain can also occur, but are not the major symptoms. Well, this is myocardial infarction. Do you know what it is? It's a heart attack. So now, if you are clear about your findings, you can manage your patient accordingly or do further investigations if required. That was all about the differential diagnosis of hand, wrist, or arm problems. Stay tuned to sqadia.com for more such precise and knowledge-stuffed videos.